Hello everyone, it's me, Raymart, at sa episode na ito, samahan niyo akong libutin ang isla ng Boracay at tanungin ng ilang mga foreign tourists kung ano ang kanilang masasabi dito sa Malaparaiso at natatanging isla ng Boracay. Dito lang yan sa I Love Boracay. Isa ang Boracay sa mga dream bucket list na talaga namang dinarayo ng mga turista mula sa iba't ibang bansa. Kaya naman atin silang kinausap at tinanong kung ano nga ba ang kanilang masasabi sa prestihiyosong isla.
I'm Macy, and I am from the United States, Florida.
My name's Chris, and I'm from the United Kingdom.
Yeah, Jose Dugan, and I'm from Mexico.
Well, I'm here with a group from my church. We're doing missions. We're going around from church to church, and we've been all over the Philippines, and this is our last stop.
So I'm here on my honeymoon with my wife. Obviously, just the weather, the beautiful beaches, the hotels. Just really like the place.
My girlfriend always said it was beautiful, and she's Filipina, so I decided to come and check it out.
Well, I like the beach. I love the fresh air. I like the food, and the hospitality is good.
I just love the environment around here. I just love the beach. The weather's usually quite nice. Obviously, the rainy season now, so it's not so great. But in general, you still have nice days, and I love the people around here as well.
Oh, because it's beautiful. The people, the culture, the traditions. Your people are genuinely warm, and I really like that. And on the beaches are beautiful.
Tunay ngang kakaiba ang ganda ng isla ng Boracay na talaga namang binabalik-balikan ng mga tao. Ikaw, nakapunta ka na ba dito sa Boracay? Kung hindi pa ay ano pang hinihintay mo? Don't miss out the chance na ma-experience ang kakaibang summer vibes sa Paradise Island of Boracay. Huwag kalimutang i-like at i-follow ang aming Facebook at YouTube page at i-comment down kung meron kayong greetings at kung hanggang saan nakarating ang video na to. Sa muli, ako si Raymart at ito ang I Love Boracay.